Welcome to the sales section of your all-in-one accounting dashboard. This is an essential area of your dashboard because it's where you manage and track the sales invoices that fuel your company's accounting. Each invoice must be properly matched to its corresponding bank transaction, a process known as bank reconciliation. Without this, the accounting of your company can't be completed, and the required financial reports cannot be submitted to the authorities on time. That's why it's so important to ensure that all your sales invoices are uploaded to the platform before the 5th of the following month. For example, all invoices issued in May should be uploaded no later than June 5th, since your accounting for May is processed during June. Automating your sales invoices. To make things easier, your all-in-one accounting dashboard includes two tools that help you automate most of the work around sales invoices. First, you can use our Invoicing tool to create invoices directly from your dashboard. Second, you can activate the Invoice Forwarding email feature. This generates a custom email address for your company, and any sales invoice you send to that address as an attachment will be automatically uploaded and processed. With these tools in place, handling your sales invoices becomes a smooth and mostly automated experience. Let's take a look at how this section works. Your sales invoices overview screen. You'll find this section under Financials in the left-hand menu labeled Sales. Once inside, you'll land on a general overview of your sales invoices. Each invoice is shown in a table with the following fields. Document, the name of the invoice file. Date, includes both the invoice date and the date it was uploaded. Status, the invoice status, which can be uploaded, processing, processed, rejected, or deleted. If an invoice appears as rejected, it means it wasn't accepted during processing and requires an action from your side. Transaction, indicates whether the invoice has been matched to a bank transaction. If not matched, a match button will appear. And category, a drop-down menu where you can classify the type of sale. Matching sales invoices to transactions. Having your invoices matched with the correct bank transactions is essential. This is what enables your monthly and annual accounting reports to be generated accurately. In most cases, our system will automatically match the invoice to the correct bank transaction. But if that's not possible, for example due to a disconnected bank account or missing data, you'll need to do it manually. When you click Match, you'll be prompted to choose the corresponding transaction. Once selected, you'll return to your invoice list, and the invoice will show as matched by your team. You can also click on any transaction shown to view more details and ensure everything is correct. Adding new sales invoices. At the top of the screen, you'll find several tools to help you manage and add invoices. A calendar selector to view invoices by month and year. An advanced search bar where you can search using multiple filters, such as invoice number, total amount, or category, among others. And the Add Invoice button, which offers 4 options. Create new invoice. This opens our automatic invoicing tool, where you can generate new invoices directly from your all-in-one accounting dashboard. Import Amazon sales and import sales from CSV. These are premium features that allow you to automate bulk sales invoice uploads, saving time and improving accuracy. They're especially useful if you manage large volumes of sales data. Upload invoices. This option lets you upload invoice files directly from your device, especially if they were generated outside your dashboard. The Automatic Sales Invoicing tool. If you choose Create New Invoice, you'll be taken to the Invoicing section of your all-in-one accounting dashboard. There you can create your invoice in 3 easy steps. Invoice data. Select the client from your client list and add other relevant details such as the service description, currency, and important dates. Invoice items. Add the items or services billed, along with prices, quantities, and taxes. Summary. Review all information, make any final edits, preview your invoice, and generate it. Once created, the invoice will appear in the general list of invoices in the Sales section. Managing invoices, the 3-dot menu. To the right of each sales invoice, you'll find a 3-dot menu with options that vary depending on the invoice's status. No matter the status, you can always download your invoices. Let's go over the main actions available depending on each status. For uploaded invoices, you can edit the name, description, or category, move the invoice to the correct month, and match or unmatch it from a transaction. For processing or processed invoices, you can edit fields like name or description. For deleted invoices, you can replace the invoice with the correct one. For rejected invoices, you'll see the reason for the rejection, and you can either replace the invoice or submit an appeal, explaining why the document should be accepted. Final reminder: to keep your accounting accurate and compliant, please remember to upload all your sales invoices before the 5th of the following month, so your reports for the previous month can be prepared on time. Use the invoicing tool and the invoice forwarding email to automate this process. Make sure sales invoices are correctly matched to their corresponding bank transactions, and always double-check any rejected invoices so they can be corrected or appealed. Need help? Visit our knowledge base or reach out to our customer support team directly through the chat in your all-in-one accounting dashboard.